Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are keeping yourselves safe by being in the home. Now, here I am with another poem by Robert Frost, that is Fire and Ice. In the last poem, I have already given you the brief introduction about the poem Robert Frost. So, now straight away, I will come to the central theme of the poem. So, here's is the central theme of the poem. The poem Fire and Ice by Robert Frost is all about the hypothetical end of the world, with the speaker asserting that it will be destroyed either by fire or ice. The central idea around which the entire poem revolves is that only love, equality, mutual understanding, and sympathy for one and all can help in establishing peace on the earth. Seeing the present scenario of the world, I think it is the need of the hour. The poet mentions that both fire and ice are probable ends of this world. While he talks about how fire represents desire and can therefore be a cause of the end of the world, he also mentions ice in between to symbolize that the coolness and indifference towards one another will also be enough to end the world. Now let's see the poem. Now let's see what poet has to say about this through his poem Fire and Ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So the now poet is saying that some people believe that the world will end in fire. Here fire is not the literal meaning. Here fire is used as a symbol of desire, lust, passion, etc. As fire, when it is under the control of the human, it's good. But once it is out of control of human being, it becomes really very dangerous. In the same way, when the passion, when the desire are in human control, it's really good, it's really positive. But when it goes out of our control, it becomes dangerous and it has the capacity to end the world. Some say in ice. If we talk about the scientific meaning of ice, then the scientists believe that ice age can be the cause of the end of the world. But here also the poet has symbolized ice with hatred. Now he says that some people believe that hatred may be the cause of the end of the world. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Poet says that whatever I have experienced fire, about desire, about the fire of desire in human beings, I am with those people, I favor those people who believe that the world will end in fire. That means the world will end because of the desire, passion, and lust of the people. Now let's see the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, though it is very impossible that the earth will end two times, but the poet believes that if suppose it happens that the earth perish second time, then he is pretty much sure that the hatred, what I already told you, ice is the symbol of hatred. He said hatred has the power to end this world. When the people will hate each other, when they will have hatred against each other, then that is enough to end the world. As what is the qualities of the ice? Ice is very makes us insensitive and it destroys the person slowly. In the same way, the hatred against each other will destroy the people slowly and will bring an end to this world, and it will be sufficient to end the world. The meaning of suffice here is sufficient. So we should all follow equality. We should be compassionate towards each other. We should love each other. And this is the demand in the today's scenario. So I hope, my dear children, you have understood the poem well. On the next page, the poetic device is given. So kindly note down all the poetic devices in your notebook. Thank you and have a wonderful day.